In this video, you will learn how to clean and maintain pre-filters at the water intake.
The water source for the GDM system is usually surface water, like a lake, which is highly turbid. The water contains quite a number of particles which can destroy or damage the solar water pump. So to avoid the damages in the solar water pump, various pre-filtration mechanisms have to be installed at the intake. Different possibilities exist to pre-filter turbid surface water before the pump, such as infiltration wells, roughing filters, or putting the strainer directly in the water source. All options include a strainer to directly protect the pump. The strainer filters out larger particles and thereby protects the pump from damages. Depending on the intake structure, the strainer can be quickly overgrown with plants or snails and therefore can be partially blocked. Therefore, the strainer needs to be cleaned regularly. To clean the strainer, you need a wire brush or a sponge. You need a spanner and a screwdriver. This procedure has 4 steps. Step 1, stop the pump. Step 2, pull out the strainer from the lake or the well. Step 3, scrub the strainer with a brush and check for damages. Step 4, after you have finished scrubbing, put the strainer back in the well, about 1 meter deep. Step 5, start the pump again.
This video has taught you how to maintain the strainer at the intake, which is important for the long-term operation of the pump.